Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to show you how to fix your Shark robot vacuum if it's not connecting to Wi-Fi so you can get back to hassle-free cleaning. First, make sure your Wi-Fi network is working properly. The Shark robot vacuum only works on 2.4 GHz networks, so check that your router is broadcasting the correct frequency. Next, restart your vacuum by turning it off, waiting 10 seconds, and turning it back on. Also, restart your router to refresh the network connection. Open the Shark Clean app on your phone and make sure your device is connected to the same Wi-Fi network you want the vacuum to use. In the app, select Add Robot or Reconnect and follow the on-screen instructions. If it still doesn't connect, reset the Wi-Fi settings on your vacuum. Press and hold the Dock plus Clean buttons, or follow your model-specific instructions until the LED blinks, indicating it's ready to reconnect. Ensure there's no interference from other devices and that your smartphone is close to the vacuum during setup. By following these steps, your Shark robot vacuum should reconnect to Wi-Fi quickly, and you can get back to automated cleaning. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and share your experience in the comments. Thanks for watching.